traders! STX has been getting a lot of attention lately, up 31% this week, and now trading around 28 cents. Trading volume is also rising fast, which could mean fresh momentum is entering the market. But here's the big question. Is this the start of a bigger bullish move, or is it just another temporary pump before a pullback? Right now, this next move could be very important for STX holders and short-term traders. What do you think? Pump or trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We've also shared our latest STX price prediction, important support zones, and possible targets on our Patreon page. The tester plan is only $10, a simple way to see if our analysis fits your trading style. Check the link in the description if you want access. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.